Okay guys, hope you're well. It's the end of the night for me. I'm just following on from a video I did earlier on for Roadhouse with the boot camp. Now, for the guys that are not in the squad, this is mainly for them. It's a journal that I give them, and for you guys that's in the squad, you'll find it in the tools section. Close of business tonight. Okay, so let's flick over and we'll have a quick look. So all you would do is in here, put in your starting balance. Now, when you first get it, it'll look like so. Okay. Down here, put in your notes for what you want to do for each month. So if you start in January, just sort of put Jan, set the account up. What I would recommend is you do a journal for each stage. So if you're on a boot camp, you'll be looking at 3 journals. So you'll run one, when it finishes, put it to one side, start it again with the new set of figures, and I'm going to show you how to put those figures in. If you're on hyper growth, it's exactly the same. Each time you do a milestone, you get a new account, therefore have a new journal. So on a boot camp, starts at 25k. So drop 25k in there, and immediately you'll see it doubles up under here. The reason being is this is going to give you a benchmark of what the account cannot go below, so you can stay in line with your drawdown, and that'll populate right the way through the months. Drop in there what the maximum drawdown is you're allowed on the account that you're on. The boot camp we were looking at has a 5% drawdown, so you just put 5 in there. Now it immediately calculates what your drawdown baseline is, because the way it works is as long as the account does not go below 23,750, it's active. It goes 1 penny below that, terminates the account. So you can always keep an eye on where you are. Now you can build a buffer zone up, which is where this takes over on the months. So if you come over onto the months, it's telling you your starting balance, what the current balance is, gross P&L, etc, etc. Okay, now there's plenty of videos on this journal about how this section works, how to target, etc. But what we've added into it is this bit here in the middle, and I just want to explain what these two are as well. These two will automatically update themselves. Now this bit here is what's crucial. You can't let your balance get below that. So you've always got it in front of you when you're moving forward. But it also highlights how much drawdown you have available, which in this case is 1250. But if you sort of do a few trades, or for argument's sake, you did a trade today, put your balance in, 25,000, you're going to invest 1%, which is 250 quid. It's pretty high. So immediately what you can see is that 1% of that at 250 is way too big for this. So it actually probably wants to be down. Like, there you go. There's 125. So that's like 10%. So 0.1, 25 quid. 0.2, 50 quid. Yes, I think 50 quid is viable against that drawdown balance. I'm happy with that. How big am I putting my position size in? Well, it's telling you what your biggest position size is. Your biggest position size wants to be in and around £1.25. However, if you see a whopping great trade, and I mean A1 stonker, it can't really fail, £2.50. All right, but these are maximum. Now, I split trades, so my combined trades would equal this. But let's just say I want to start the ball rolling, and I don't want to go greater than £1. So that's my bid. So it's giving me a little bit of room. So I can say, right, I'm going to start my bids at £1. What it's telling me is my stop is 50. So as long as my stop criteria is within 50 pips of where I roughly want to get in, this all marries up and everything's fine. and just say I'm targeting 50 pips as well, or targeting 50 quid. There you go. Got my £50. That's increased, but now look at this. This is increased as well because the drawdown allowance is increased. And then that way you can keep track of what you're doing over and over and you won't get confused. These sheets are paramount to success when it comes to trading because they keep you grounded and you can see exactly where you are with your position size at any one time. But not only that, it's telling you how much your stop is going to cost in relation to your account. And if you think that is way too much, then you just either reduce your position size or reduce your stop. Personally, I will reduce the position size but leave the stop where it is because the stop should be correct in the first place. Anyway, guys, I hope that helps. It was just a very quick one. Like I say, this will be in the tools for you. Well, it's probably in the tools now while you're watching this. So as always, guys, do what you love and the money will follow. See you all on the next one.